Unpacking your TV the correct way makes for a safe and easy install. Before getting started, review the quick setup guide. Make sure you have a suitable space to remove your TV and assemble the stand. Next, remove the contents from the top. These may vary based on your model. Then, remove the top styrofoam. With the help of a friend, steady the box with one hand and tear along the perforations, folding the side of the box downward. Depending on your model of television, there may be additional hardware inside the box. Now, you'll need some help removing your TV panel, so grab that friend again. You'll want to handle only the top corners and side edges of your TV as you lift it from the box. And be careful not to squeeze the panel, as this could cause damage. Lay the panel face down onto the surface with the bottom of the TV near the edge.